All right, Joshua, we have your 120, I'm sorry, I shouldn't assume. Joshua, we have your 124 scale Dodge Charger, your 2011 slick top Florida Highway Patrol that you wanted built. Obviously painted and decaled as such. All the decals are on, everything's good and dry, so we were good. No work light in this one, right? Okay, no work light. I don't know if we can see that there is a laptop and things in there, but you probably won't be able to see it very well because there's no work light. Proper antennas. I noticed a couple of different antenna setups that they had on these. I went with the one that you can see. They'll be able to stay on, I think, in shipping. I want to take them off of the box. Again, a couple different styles, like I said. Proper decals, license plates, and whatnot. I don't know if this looks as dark on video as it's going to look on my camera, but it looks real dark for some reason. Probably should have turned on my light behind me. 9-volt battery located in the trunk area. When it comes time to change this, go ahead and flip this over here. Comes time to change it, you can just take this screw, these two screws out here on the muffler, and what you'll do, hold it like this, push down on the tires, and this bumper clip will pull off. The rear bumper clip will pull off this whole part across the top, or the bottom right there. Pull that off, and then take the battery out and change it. Easy enough. You can take all the screws out if you want, all 5 of them, but usually you can get away with just pulling this bumper off. That's how I put them in there. The one I had for a while, that's how I changed it, so it's just easy enough to do it that way. You got 3 switches on this one. Your main power switch, and this one I think is to change the patterns, and this one here is for the siren, starts with the horn. I don't know why I got mixed up. I remember this was for the patterns. Let's go ahead and turn it on. When you turn it on, everything will illuminate. You wanted something aggressive in the front, so you told me which LEDs you wanted firing. I think it was 1, 2, 5, and 6 on one output, and 3 and 5 on the others. A couple of different patterns of that. Of course, you see your flashing headlights. What I did with your front fogs, I put those to flash at the same time the center ones did on the light bar. Again, I don't know. Actually, I don't know if my camera, this phone will pick them up. You can kind of see what they're doing there. You can see that the bottoms are lighting up at the same time with the centers. Then on the bottom, you wanted every other one wired together. You have these here. Sorry, I was reading an email. I admit it came up on my phone. Just every other LED will be wired to flash together, and then a simultaneous flash. Your strobes here in the reverse lights, one's wired to the odd number ones, one's wired to the even number ones. And then see your flashing tail lights. If you hit this button here, the center one, you'll see that they'll go to a pattern and just stay. That first one just cycles them through the patterns. You might be able to see this a little bit better. Actually, the last pattern you'll be able to see better with your fog lights here. Let's hit this one. It has to be a simultaneous flash where all the blues will flash at once. And hit this again. It's a slower triple strobe. I hit the wrong one. There we go. Triple strobe pattern, and you can see kind of how your fogs, let's block those out. Those fogs actually illuminate with your center visor lights. And slows them down a little bit on the back as well. So again, that's your 3rd press. And the 4th press will actually turn those completely off. Hit the right one this time so it don't turn everything off. So you can actually just run your flashing taillights and headlights if you want. Now your siren will work. Let's go ahead and turn those all back on. Your siren will work obviously with the headlights flashing or all the lights flashing. Doesn't matter. Hear it run through a few different tones there. Each press after that will lock in a tone. Nothing magic with the siren. It's the same one that I use on most of my builds. It's Model Train software. Evans Design makes this one. Alright, and that press will turn it completely off. So there you have it. Again, I can't see much with the interior. Like I said, with no work light. I hate to keep, I'm not saying, I mean, you just didn't want one installed, so that's fine. But everything else, like I said, just how you wanted it. And like I said, I appreciate the order. Get this, I'll quit blabbing and get this video up. Thank you very much.